Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. In this lesson, we'll focus on how to use real-world business examples to enhance your answers in the BTEC Unit 6, Principles of Management exam. Examiners reward students who connect theories and case study information to real businesses. Strong examples show depth of understanding, application skills, and critical thinking, helping you achieve higher marks. A strong answer doesn't just state theories, it supports them with real-world cases. If a company struggles with staff motivation, referencing Google's employee benefits or John Lewis partnership model demonstrates real business strategies. If discussing crisis management, Tesco's response to the horse meat scandal shows applied understanding. Use examples that are relevant and support your argument. If discussing cost-cutting, mentioning Ryanair's low-cost model works, but for premium pricing, Apple's strategy is better. Choosing fitting examples strengthens your response. Linking real-world examples to business theories improves analysis. If discussing leadership, referencing Elon Musk at Tesla or Richard Branson at Virgin makes your point stronger. For expansion, examples like McDonald's franchising or Amazon's diversification provide solid evidence. Examples should be concise and directly linked to your argument. Instead of long case studies, summarize the key point and explain its relevance. If discussing ethics, mentioning Unilever's sustainability focus is effective without extra detail. Keep examples focused and relevant. Examiners value comparisons. Instead of just stating a business decision, show how another company handled a similar situation differently. If discussing corporate social responsibility, compare IKEA's sustainability with Shein's ethical concerns. This contrast adds depth to your evaluation. A common mistake is forcing examples that don't fit. If a question is about small business growth, discussing Coca-Cola's global expansion isn't relevant. Always select examples that match the business size, industry, and situation. Misapplying examples weakens your answer. Your examples must be accurate and current. Avoid outdated references to businesses that no longer exist or strategies that failed. If mentioning Blockbuster's failure, link it to Netflix's success to make it meaningful. Keeping examples modern and relevant shows awareness of business trends. To maximize marks, structure your answer as follows. Identify the business issue, link it to a real-world example, briefly explain the example, and justify why it supports your argument. If discussing pricing strategies, a strong response could be, Apple uses premium pricing to maintain exclusivity and brand perception, aligning with price skimming. This method shows clear application. A well-placed example can turn a good answer into an excellent one by showing applied understanding and supporting arguments effectively. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please